Divorcing in Washington takes on average 4 to 6 months to complete for uncontested cases and up to 2 years for contested cases. If you are looking to settle your divorce outside of court and have reached an agreement in principle with your spouse, consider using our online divorce service. You can work virtually with our attorney to complete your Washington divorce case. To file for divorce in Washington, one spouse must be a resident of the state on the date of filing the petition for dissolution. You can file for divorce in the county where you live or the county where your spouse lives. The petition for divorce should be filed with the county clerk's office. There is a fee for filing a divorce petition, which can be waived if you can demonstrate financial hardship. Washington is a no-fault to divorce state. Courts will not assign blame to either spouse, nor will fault affect property division. When dividing property, the couple will need to determine what is community property and what is separate property. Separate property is property that the spouse held before the marriage. Separate property also includes any property given to one spouse as a gift or inheritance. Any income earned during marriage is considered community property, and each spouse has an equal interest. This also applies to any assets purchased with community property. Debts incurred during the marriage are considered community debts, which must be divided as well. This can be complicated for couples who have been married for a long time and have acquired many assets. There may be assets that are a mix of community property and separate property. Washington courts have a lot of discretion when determining spousal support. Generally, spousal support is awarded when one spouse has a significantly higher income than the other. For marriages lasting less than 5 years, the court is unlikely to award spousal support. For marriages lasting 25 years or longer, spousal support will likely equalize the incomes of both spouses until they retire. For marriages between 5 and 25 years, the court will look at various factors including the incomes of both spouses, the lifestyle enjoyed during the marriage, and whether one spouse will need additional education to re-enter the workforce. There is a minimum 3-month waiting period after the divorce petition is filed before the divorce can be finalized. Uncontested divorces are usually finalized within 3 months. The more contentious the divorce, the longer it takes. When complex issues are involved, a contested divorce may take up to 2 years to complete.